Hello everyone, in this video I will compare InVideo Studio and InVideo AI. InVideo AI refers to the AI technology used by the video creation platform called InVideo. If we talk about plans and pricing, first there is a free option, then we have Plus, which is $20, and Max, which is $48. This AI technology assists users in creating videos by offering features such as automated video editing, intelligent templates, and tools for enhancing video production efficiency. It helps users without extensive video editing skills to create professional-looking videos quickly by automating various aspects of the editing process. Now look for the Login button to begin the process. Click on Login if you already have an account. If not, continue with your Google account by selecting Continue with Google. Once logged in, you will be prompted to input a topic, language preference, and detailed instructions. In video, AI uses this information to generate your video. You can select different workflows, such as converting scripts to videos suitable for platforms like YouTube, YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. For instance, choose script to video as an example workflow. Enter the text or script you want to convert into a video. Copy the text and paste it into the provided field. Customize the video by selecting background music, choosing a male or female voice, and selecting accents or other voice narrations. Set the number of speakers. If desired, add subtitles and configure any additional options provided. Once all settings are configured as desired, click on Continue to proceed. Click on Generate Video to start the video creation process. Choose the intended audience and platform settings before continuing. Click on Continue to initiate the video generation process. InVideo AI will now start creating your video based on the settings and inputs provided. Once the video is generated, you have the option to edit it. Click on Edit to access editing tools. You can add chapters to organize your video content effectively. Edit the script directly within the platform. Scroll down to find the chapters and make the necessary adjustments. Apply changes by selecting the appropriate editing commands and clicking on Generate to update the video. After finalizing edits, click on Download. You can choose whether to include watermarks and select the InVideo AI branding option. Specify the download resolution preference and click on Continue to proceed with downloading the video. Wait for the platform to prepare your video. Once ready, you can download it on your device. Verify that the video is properly generated according to your specifications. Now let us discuss InVideo Studio. InVideo Studio is an online video editing and creation platform that allows users to produce professionally quality videos quickly and efficiently. InVideo Studio enables users to create and edit videos directly in their web browser. It provides a user-friendly interface with a variety of tools and templates to streamline the video production process. It offers a vast library of pre-designed templates suitable for different purposes, such as social media posts, marketing videos, educational content, and more. These templates serve as starting points for creating customized videos. If you want to sign in, you have two options. You can either continue with your Google account or enter your email and password to log in. If you choose to continue with your Google account, you will be prompted to select your Google account from the list provided. After logging in, you will land on the main dashboard where you can create new video projects. Use AI text-to-video features, access stock media, and use the video editor. Click on the template section to explore various pre-designed video templates suggested by InVideo. Choose a template that suits your project needs and click on it to preview. After selecting a template, preview the template video. If it fits your requirements, click on Use Template to start editing. In the editor, you can edit the template to customize it as per your preferences. Select elements from the right side panel and click on them to edit. You can change fonts, apply bold styling, add animations, and utilize various editing tools available. Navigate to the Upload section to upload media files from your computer. These includes videos, images, music, and text that you want to include in your project. Click on the left panel for additional options, such as adding video clips, images, music tracks, and text to your project. Click on the Elements tab to add stickers, shapes, overlays, and masks to enhance your video. Access the Animation section where you can set animation effects. Choose the type of animation, for example, bounce. Adjust its duration and explore more animation options. Once you have made all the edits and adjustments you want, click on Upgrade to Export to proceed. In the Export window, select the desired video quality settings and then save your edited video. Choosing between InVideo Studio and InVideo AI depends on your preferences. InVideo Studio offers hands-on control, while InVideo AI prioritizes speed through automation. InVideo Studio is more complex with customization options, while InVideo is simpler and faster. InVideo AI is more friendly beginner due to its automation features. Your choice should reflect your need for control, efficiency, and your editing expertise. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.